Hi, this is Scott, and I'm back at my backyard garden. And these plastic bins are the reason that potatoes in my backyard are the easiest vegetables to grow. I got these from a nursery that was closed several years ago, but I hope you can still find these on the internet. I buy my seed potatoes from a local nursery, and I put them in a warm, dark place for a couple weeks to allow them to sprout before I plant them. These bins are so easy to use. They form rounds readily. You connect them with two green connectors or zip ties. Once they're together, you just stand them up and they're ready to go to fill with dirt and fill your potatoes. I'm going to quickly show you how these bins work. I've already planted my potatoes, but I took one apart and I'm just going to put it back together so that you can see how easy this is. The hardest thing to remember is righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, it looks like. I'm having a hard time with that, but anyway. Why are these bins so easy and so user-friendly? Is because you can pick the potatoes by simply opening the bin, and you can just reach in there and grab some and reclose it if you want to keep them growing. But what you never do is you never cut the potatoes with a shovel. Like a lot of times what'll happen is you're digging up potatoes in ground, like you saw in my last video planting at the project garden, that there's always a risk as you're digging that you'll just dig up potatoes and damage potatoes, which obviously you have to use immediately because they won't store. Here, I just put my seed potatoes back in, just kind of showing you a quick tutorial here. You just put a little dirt in there. As long as the potatoes are covered, that's all you need. And you water them in. Now, as you see here, I don't have a lot of dirt in here. You just got to make sure the potatoes are covered. It looks like I haven't thrown enough dirt in there right away, but here's some more. And once they're covered, you just, as the plants come up, you just keep on putting in more dirt. Now I'm going to show you from previous garden photos how the growth occurs. The new plants come up. You start piling in more dirt, more straw, anything to help cover the tubers from the sun. Here's one I dug up just to take a look at the root development. They keep coming up, filling the bins, keep coming up, and they just keep getting bigger and bigger, and you just keep adding material just to make sure that the tubers are not being touched by the sun. And look how luscious and green these plants get. The bins look beautiful. Now you're starting to see a little bit of flower development in this photo, and then we have some nice pink flowers that look a lot like eggplant flowers. And then the plants start to wilt a little bit, start to die back, and then they start to die back more, and that's when you know that they're fully ready to pick, although you can pick at any stage and get new potatoes, but if you want them more mature, wait. Then you open the bin, and I'm need to model how that works again. You just unscrew the green connectors, open it up, and again, this is one that just has seed potatoes in it, so when I'm digging, you're not going to see anything other than me finding one seed potato and not seeing the other one at the moment. And that's all it takes. No chance to damage your potatoes. And here they are, beautiful homegrown potatoes, thin-skinned, tasty. You've never tasted anything better than a homegrown potato. You can grow them in all different varieties. They work really, really well in a backyard setting. And these bins are the greatest way that I've found, and the easiest way to grow potatoes. If you like these videos and want to continue to watch me live my best rural life in the city, please subscribe to my channel and hit like and share so that others can find me too. Thank you.